This is John. John is the CNC shop floor manager, but he isn't achieving his desired organization and production efficiency goals, and doesn't use full production capacities, which is why he misses business opportunities. The solution to his problem is MachineDesk. With MachineDesk, you can manage all your projects, resources, and machine park efficiently. Reduce idle time and eliminate production downtime to achieve higher productivity for your entire business. Monitor warehouse status in real time, prevent deadlocks in production, track tool consumption, and order resources right on time. With analytics, Gantt charts, and integrated reporting system, you can view relevant data in real time, track production flow and business results, and enable the prompt flow of information within the company. The data is protected and available at any time in the cloud. By digitizing his business with MachineDesk, John can now achieve faster and more efficient production and meet all required quality and delivery deadlines. Request the MachineDesk demo version and take a step into manufacturing of the future.